how to download high quality images from Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download your Canva images in high quality easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to the canva.com and log in to your account. And once you are inside the Canva, simply choose the image or design you want to download. For this video, I'll be selecting this photo as an example. And once you are in your design, simply click on the share button at the top right corner. And from there, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, you can simply click on download, and by default, the file type is set to JPG or PNG. And if you have Canva Pro account, you can use the quality slider to maximize the resolution for the best image quality. And once you're happy with the result, you can simply click download and your high quality image will be saved to your device. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.